Today you join me in this stunning Ferrari 330 GTC, painted in a beautiful shade of green, complemented by the interior, which is in this Connolly Vomol leather. The code is 3218. We've used a straw coloured carpet that ties in with the exterior colour. The wood also helps just tie this cabin in harmoniously. It's a beautiful, lovely place to be sat. The only real change we've made from an original one of these cars would be the armrests. The owner preferred to have all leather rather than the black vinyl, but other than that, this has been trimmed as the car would have been when it was new. We hope you enjoy watching this short video of the guys working on the car, taking it from a bare shell through to what you see in front of you now.